Alright, I'm Jeremy with M&M Express in Brainerd, Minnesota, and we are back with a new Kioti model. This is the RX7340. It's their new model in their RX line. Eventually it will be taken over for the 7320, but the 7320 is still available. This tractor has a lot of upgrades and a lot of different features that the 7320 does not. First and foremost, it's a different cab style. This is a 4-post, I think, rather than the 5. It's roomier cab. This is Kioti's first model that offers the opportunity to have a buddy or instructional seat in the cab. So you can bring somebody with you, grandkids, kids, wife, whatever you want. So we'll go over some of the outside features first. This tractor is equipped with the R14 tires, and on the RX7340 these have the cast iron rims. So they are they're an upgrade from the normal R4s or A tires. They are a lot heavier, built-in weight in those rims. Going to the back of the tractor, three-point electronic controls in the back here to lower and lift the 3-point from the back of the cab. No lever, it's electronic back here. You can also engage your PTO back here with this button. And they are on both sides of the tractor, so you don't have to keep walking back and forth. They're on both sides. LED lights all around on this one for the cab lights, turn signals, brake lights, headlights. It's pretty loaded with LED lights. You can add up to, comes standard with one set of rear hydraulic remotes on the back. You can add up to 3. So you can hook up to 8 different lines back here. Category 2, 3-point. Pretty beefy. 3-point lift on this one is 4,300 pounds. This customer is going to be getting a hydraulic top link. We are working on installing all of his accessories, as this tractor just came in for him. Going around this side, got entrance steps on both sides, of course, 2 steps. This guy has also added the front fenders, which is a really nice feature. I have a lot of customers that ask about front wheel fenders on their tractors. This is the first Kioti model to offer that as well. Different badging, different designs. One feature that's really nice on this, you run the loader lines right through the loader tube here, so they're not exposed, not going to get caught. Once again, this has that self-leveling loader, which is available on the RX series. He's also added the grill guard. That's another feature on this guy. Kioti is offering all sorts of different accessories for this model. He's got the grill guard, the OEM bucket hooks there, and you can also get storage for the middle of the tube here for the cross member. 82-inch bucket. The loader can lift 3,300 pounds. It's a pretty beefy tractor, a lot of power. Yep, skid steer, quick attach, of course. Electronic throttle. It's just a lever you slide up, so it's very nice. It's got neutral switch on the shifter. It's a very nice thought out cab. Another thing they switched is the HVAC heating vent. The heating vent air conditioning is in this center console here. It's not located up in the roof on this tractor, which allows you to have a lot more headroom in the cab. You don't have to worry about the height up there. The sunshade and the sunroof that opens up on top. Cabin lights come stock with the CD player and speakers. Well, Bluetooth, not CD anymore. Dating myself. Yeah, this tractor is just has it's a whole different design, whole different new model. Kioti's done a lot of good work on this one. So excited to get it to the customer tomorrow. You can come see me in Brainerd at 13380 Highway 25, or give me a call at 218-829-4699. M&M Express Sales.com.